All right, well, folks, I did have to get out of here for a little bit because of someone saying, "Get out of here." They pulled the plug on me once again, and I don't know where, how, or why this is happening continually, but this is so awfully strange. But I'm back, just like I promised I would be. I got a chance to fill my coffee up while we watch the price break over $9, right? Oh, yeah, she's back over. Absolutely. And hopefully we won't have an interruption of the stream again, folks. But it is what we have to deal with as we pop over $9 here at 10:53 in the morning. This is very good timing. And we're looking here at ARM, and we're going to try to see if we can make sure we get this Google. I'm going to just, I'll do it this way. Oh, goodness gracious. ARM IPO latest. Let's just do that. March trading debut on NASDAQ following 4.87 billion overpriced or in demand chip designer 31 minutes ago on the street. Yep. Will ARM Holdings IPO be the biggest IPO of 2023? No, I think Instacart will, but ARM might be. Who knows? Boy, either way, this is going to be great for SoFi. I have to be honest with you. I'm surprised that we're still seeing it even here at this price. Really. With that much demand and oversubscription, who knows how high this pops, this thing. Who knows, man? Oh my gosh. If the thing just goes ballistic, what do you think is going to happen to SoFi? Who do you think is taking the risk here? There's not many shorters left. Most of the folks, we already know, most institutions are long on this. All right, let's get back over here and put this over here. Yeah, I'm back. Yep. Shitty say it is alive. That is right. It is live. Tyson, I'll be honest, not the start I thought SoFi would have today. Me neither. I thought we'd see a spring bounce, and but he might be in for a big surprise. Hello, Shaniza. Shaniza, how are you doing? Another day breaking over 9 to 10. All right, I just got back up. I was up a little bit ago, and I got knocked off again. Look at here, 698 now. More institutions have come in, Shaniza. Two more. They're buying in, folks. Be aware of it. Big time money has been buying in. Come over here. Look at SoFi's chart. Look at this 200-day green moving average line separating from that where it was. See how long it went right over there along it? And by the way, it was going up the whole time. Up all the time. I bet you are. It's good to look at your account and see it nicely up. And right now, this looks like it is going to continue. Folks, the tree of shares every time over the last 3 weeks, it hit a low. I bought it every day, and some of you did too, I know. I also told you all yesterday at $8.88, I've never failed buying this stock at that price. Never. And I have at least 1,000 shares at that number that I'm still holding now, which will be at 988 soon enough, and I'll buy more at that number too. And at 1088, I'll buy it at 1188, and every 88 from here until it's at 8888. All right, and that will be the day I might sell some and buy myself a yacht to start sailing around the world, port to port. I'll go visit my friend Orlando over in Portugal. I'll be visiting my friend over there also, who is an incredible musician, and I can't wait to see him again, uh, other than on through the internet. It's been a while since I've seen my old buddy, but man, is he a musician. Right on. All right, everybody. Thank you for being here with me. Find your way back into the school, which we got disconnected. Somebody threw one of those mines overboard, and we all got blown blown apart by the percussion and disoriented. But here we are back on live again, and we're showing you what's going on with the charts. And look right here. Let's go to the 1 day, folks. Look why and how it's all happening right now. Look at the size right here. Where are we on the 1 day, 1 minute? Yeah, we are. Look at the size of that buy right there. Almost $2 million worth, people. Almost $2 million bought. All right. They aren't going to sit around and wait. They're just going to get their plate. And that's why we said goodbye to the 8 when that person came in and decided to get $2 million worth. And this is right before we're keeping an eye on this arm. Let's pull it up in another window. By the way, look at this PBR. Look at this one here. Double K called it this morning. Look at NU. It's down in a good, look at the amount. Place to buy for sure there. Won't stay there long. AMC making some recoveries. Got our eyes on it just for the bottom. There it is. It might be at it right there. 844, I'd say. Get some AMC today. Put your order in there. 845 maybe. All right. But we do have to keep an eye over here on ARM. So there we go. Must keep our eye on this one today. Screen not sharing. Okay. Hold on a second. Let me go. I got you. Thank you for letting me know that. Hold on a second. Let me jump over here to my OBS and move it up. I got the things in order wrong. Boom. Here we go. Thank you. Very important. Yes, you get the award of the day for notifying me I hadn't done what I should have done yet. And now I can also downsize me some. I don't need to be so big. And I'm wearing a Hawaiian shirt today because I'm countering the winter time trying to approach us here in Michigan. Felt chilly here yesterday and last night. So all right, now we got it right. Let's now go back to where we should be. There's our price on the arm. And here we are breaking over 9. And here we are going to continue to run away from 9, as I call right now, because the further we leave 9 behind, the further it goes behind. It will be left behind by those who have shorted it or decided something. I don't know what they're thinking. I don't know who could be shorting this stock right here today on this IPO, which some are asking, could this be the biggest IPO of the year? And so there we go, folks. Breaking free at 9:03. Here we go, folks. Watch this run. I think it's begun. It's gonna be fun for all of us. That's right. Everybody watch it. You better watch it run, watch it go. Everybody knows it's gonna fly by high. Hey, it's gonna jump from 9:03 to 9:05. I say it's gonna happen. 9:05 and 9:05 is coming now. Watch the size of the buys, people. Come on over here. Look at where we are. 6.5 million, folks. We only had 16 million all day long, folks. We're 30 minutes into trading and we're at 6.5. Yo, hello, everybody. We're gonna go, everybody. Hello. Ha. Say goodbye to the low on SOFI. Don't you know? Say goodbye to the low on SOFI. Don't you know? Watch it fly. It's going to the sky. It's gonna break 10. I just said it again. It's gonna break 10. Say it again. It's gonna break 10. Nah, yeah, say it again. I say buy. Keep on buying as it's flying, and it's gonna keep on. The shorts are crying. They're all denying. But they're not lying. I'm not lying to you. I think they're gonna. Hey, and by the way, folks, I want to just say thank you for being here through my crappy rappiness, and my fun time is what I want to have here when I'm here with you, folks. That's all we want to do is have fun. Mm-hmm. So fly, so fly. So fly, so fly. Look at that blue going to the sky. Look at the gold, right, all right. My, oh my, it's so fine. It's on fire today. Oh, everybody's desire. and I won't pay. It's on fire. What do you say? Hey, hey, we're on fire. It's everyone's desire. So fly, oh yeah. Oh, look at it running now. We're all having some fun, and now it's all really just begun, and now you will see what I'm telling you is gonna come true. Uh-huh. Uh, my screen not sharing might be one thing that was being detrimental, but my music I should probably detone and turn down. I don't mean to be deafening to your ears, folks. I'm just having fun. Yep, just having fun, singing the SOFI song. Everybody come, you can sing along with me, yeah, having fun, singing the SOFI song. Come on, sing along to the SOFI song, yeah, oh yeah. Take a look at the SOFI song, oh yeah. Tyson Duffy CGC pulled back yesterday, but back up 18 cents so far. Talking about a cannabis company, CGC. CGC. CGC's got the energy, he says, perhaps. Let's go look and see at CGC. We'll see if we agree with he. Yeah, it's the rapping cat. CGC Canopy. Hey, speaking of canopy, let me ask you a question. One of the defining, whoa, a jippy choppy poppy hop. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that thing. Could it stop? My goodness, what did they announce now? 2 hours ago, Canopy Growth to seize funding BioSteel business. Unit furthering business transformation and focus on North American cannabis. They're out of the BioSteel. Gotcha. Terry Grant, thank you for showing me the life of a bottom feeder. Yes, let me present to you. Yes, indeed. That's what we are. We feed on the bottom and we sell it at the top, and we're gonna keep going, and we're watching it pop. The CGC, you and me, we might agree that it's gonna keep it going like we know rowing. Hey, everybody's rowing behind the ship. They're pushing it up. You can see. Oh yeah, it's like a microchip. It's a processing machine. It's gonna be green today. Hey, you got a 1 bottom, 2 bottom, 3 bottom, 4. And then we see that, folks, would be the floor. If you don't want to know what I'm singing about, you don't have to be here. You don't have to shout. You can just let it out. Everybody sees and everyone agrees. Hey, what's ARM doing? We got to be new and right? New. How about for you? ARM still right there, folks, with a grin. 51. Who's getting in? Terry Grant. Tyson, thank you for being here. Yes, yes, yes. Boom, boom, boom. Ba, ba, ba. Yes, welcome. Welcome. See, I'm going to type this backwards. That's perfect. Yes, I'll do it this way. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Thank you for being here with me in the foray as we watch this scene get ready to swing. We watching it. Maybe everybody's gonna sing. You're gonna go. It's a SoFi song. Come on, sing along. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a SoFi song. That 1 month chart. My 3 month chart. Everything breaking the short's heart. It's a dart. It's hitting the bullseye. Look at the thing fly. Everybody buying. Yes, indeed, folks. Ah, yes, it's an art. Yeah, it's a dart. It hits the heart of the matter. The shorts are shattered. Their mates are splattered all over Manhattan. You know what I mean? Just like No, not Queen. That's a Rolling Stones. I'm talking the tones of a group that you know. It's certainly so. Watching this grow and watch it go and watch it popping. It ain't going to be stopping, folks. I'm telling you, there ain't going to be no dropping on this popping stock. You can watch it, baby. It's a strutting cock. It's a crowing in the morning early. They gave a warning. It was me who told the shorters, hey, it's time to get out. And no doubt, when you can't hold 88 and people's filling their plate, and now you see 904, we're gonna ring my bell some more. Hey, folks, I'm just having some fun here. I am watching, and You're watching. We're all waiting for this news right here. Bam, bit, bam, boom. It could kaboom. It could see our stock go crazy. I hope you put in your orders like I told you to yesterday, folks. Did you get your orders in at over 10 and over 11 and over 12, over 13, 14, 15, 16, 17? I hope you put them in because the yield could be fantastic for you. And you wouldn't even believe the numbers that could fulfill and be achieved. You wouldn't believe how fast they could happen. You don't know how. No one can predict this market. Nobody knows how far, how fast, how high. Nobody. Nobody. This crazy stock that they're going to open the arm for, who knows? With this kind of 5-6 times over subscribed, it could go to $151 today. I wouldn't suspect that to be absolutely true, but hey, yep. I got to put my cap lock back on. Boop. I want it on, so everything I type, I want to be caps. I know it's crazy that I do that, but it helps you decipher what I'm saying versus what others are saying. So I want to thank you folks for being here. I don't want to neglect anyone, and I haven't said anything to Kimchi yet, but I want to. So, hey, Kimchi. All right. There we go. Boop. Hey, Kimchi. Hey, oh my goodness, while I'm typing, it's popping up to 905. I told you that was coming. I called it, everybody. I said we're going to see it jump to 905. Now we'll see the 906. There are no tricks. There are no tricks, no treats. Look at TSLY, everyone. If you got in with me, congratulations. That's one we can say to our friend from other nations. He's from Portugal, and his name is Spartacus. And look at this open. Open, looking good. Hey, maybe folks, you should get into the neighborhood. Open, I called it. I wasn't hoping. I told you, open. The door was maybe open, and it was. Now we're green. You see? You see how fast things can change, right? BTI still looking good. Take a look at PBR. If there's anybody shorting this thing, they're getting totally scorched over the last 6 months. RBLX was called by Double K, and we've seen a 1 bottom, 2 bottom, 3 bottom, 4 bottom, 5 bottom, 6 bottom, and now she's off. Yep, a tiny little fake right here happening on it. Look at it, you. Told you. I called it. We're seeing the mirroring. We're seeing the mirroring, and now we're really going to see it scale up possibly. So I like this a lot. Look at the volume. It's solid. In you. Nice. What's the news? Yesterday, broker suggests investing in you. What do you know? ARM in the holding pattern. Will they come out during lunch? CGC brought to our attention. Everybody, you want to get in on that? That looks like a good entry point still on it. I think it was really, when you look at this 1 month and you see that big pullback and then that double bottom, and this right here almost really to me represents a triple bottom on the 1 day right now. It really does. 1, 2, and right here, 3 could be the third one. Watch this one close. Could gain up to $2 rapidly from here. It'd be a nice gain, folks. A 30% gain still there. But Sofi is the one we're going to make our nice gain on today. Everybody right now should be happy, very happy, and have your orders in very high. So they're all tied up so the shorts can't borrow them. I hope you all did that. I hope you pass that along to your friends and tell them to do the same, because the fewer shares are available, the higher the price goes, period. So just as simple as that. And, by the way, the higher the interest it becomes. Look at TSLY, folks. Right? Right? We got the whistle going on. All right, you can read, if you can. I got to tell you the stock I'm on while I'm whistling this trend. But right now, CGC does look good here. I like it. It certainly has plenty of volume here at it. Twice the daily average. Watching. We're all watching. Sofi popping, hopping up and gonna go. We're watching it going higher. There's no doubt about it. Look at that 200-day on the 3-month chart and understand the plan and why you're the man if you're buying in on SoFi today. That's right. You're going to make the shorts pay, take their shares away. As soon as you buy them, tie them up with a share, sell much higher, double where we are. Double your money. Cha-ching, cha-ching, gonna hear the bell ring going 9:05 to 9:06. Watch no tricks, gonna hold it back. If they coulda, woulda, held at 888, my friends. Now we're much higher. You see the desire on fire, the flyer. We're the ones who have the shares that everybody wants. It's time for SoFi to rock and roll uphill. Right on, baby. Right on. Rock and rolling right on up. Oh, yeah, we're going to fill our cup. We can't get enough. And 902 I bought yesterday, folks. You saw me buy this at 902, did you not? I told you I wanted to support it when it went over $9, and I told you I'd do it again. But I'm going to be buying this at 908 today, right? 908 is where I'll be filling my plate because I'm going to push it higher. And then 913, my order's there. Yes, indeed, 913, folks. I want that. I'll take that on the way to 1013, 1113, 1213, 1313. Yes, indeed. Hey, folks, look, we've now, if you bought at $4.46, $4.45 with our friend Anthony Noto, the CEO. Noto, the CEO. Oh, my goodness, watch it go, go, go. He got in at 4.46. He got in at 4. And 467.50, bought him nifty million. That's right. He bought $1 million worth at that price. Now he has doubled it. Cha-ching! And he's not selling. He's a dwelling in a nice little place. You can guarantee that. It's not like you and me, a canopy. Hey, by that, I was going to talk to you about that. We talked a little bit earlier about the rich people and the poor people, and there's a comparison. You know how you can really define the difference between a rich person and a poor person, and that is by a canopy, because a rich person has a canopy over their bed and a poor person has a canopy under it. Got it? All right, so there you go. Little humor for you, little fun, little something you can run by somebody you might meet in the next little joke you want to share with them. And that's one right there. For the rich, poor, peace and jerk. Welcome, Heirloom Cedar. Boom. Everybody gets a big grand opening. That's right. Oh, uh-oh, I almost got it right. SHAN. There, I think I got it. There you go. Thanks for being here, Shaniza. And I'm very grateful to everybody who is here on my channel and drops by to see what's happening with SoFi, what's going on in the news, what might be happening, institutional ownerships. You know, all the stuff I show you, these killer charts like this one right here, proving that there's no way this can be held back. It's just every time popping off. One little drop below here, double bottomed out on May the 1st, and then May 15th, Chia Pansy Day, and then look at it after that. And this is where I started coming in, folks, telling everyone to buy it. Right there. Glad I did, and I'm glad some of you did with me as we watch it rising. It's not going to stop going. I don't know what could possibly stop this thing from continuing to yield profits for us today. I don't see any way. Don't see any way other than a manipulative effort. And that would be very, very short lived, by the way, I would believe. ARM, we're going to watch this very closely because it could be something like, you know, a time such as this, mid morning, things have settled out a little after the uppity downity that we can often see in the morning. Right about now, folks could call it here. Feels like it's good time for it. They may wait until mid afternoon, which wouldn't surprise me, or even who knows? I just don't know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what time this thing blows. When the whistle blows, we'll know. We'll know for sure. We'll see this stock price. And folks, be prepared, okay? What we could see is an extreme downward push to shake violently any suggestion of fear that anybody has. Now, I am not saying that that's going to happen for sure, but I'm going to say you better have your big orders in, ready to put them in for that split second when it hits that catastrophic low, which could be as low as 20% to stop loss 20% or even 30%. And that would put us right about $6.66, a 30% drop. So I'm just saying that because you could probably get an order at 667, put one in at 767, put one in 867. Either any of those are all going to make you money, but there's going to be possibilities of a big, quick, very sudden, jaw-dropping, shocking foray. Okay, just be prepared because anything can come at you. We've already seen that with the stock. On great news, they've always come after it. So just be aware of that. Actually, on the last great news, wasn't so great. They didn't even beat the street, and they got a run up by these guys to 1170. That should have been your first indicator because all the other previous quarters, they had beat the street and got dropped down 25 and 30%. And then suddenly they just met and they went up that much. Got to be smarter and realize how they were doing it. And I called that they were going to do that. Before it happened, I said it's very possible they're not going to fight it this time. They're going to run up with it. Take it to a major high together and then short it there and run it right back down. Very, very clearly exactly how they ran the plan. But back on May the 1st, when the earnings call, when they ran it down for the next 3 and 4 days, they did it in 4 days, down 32%. This last time, they did it in 15 or 16 days and strung it out longer. Went to 3 weeks. But now look where it is. On its way right up to where I told you it was going, with higher highs and higher lows being sustained nearly every single day, which I also called. Yesterday's 2 cent below was the same thing as we'd seen before, back after May the 15th. For those of you that are here with me sharing in this, yes, indeed, I appreciate it as we watch and wait. What could be the biggest IPO of the year, some say? There's what it's saying here. ARM makes trading debut on NASDAQ following 4.87 billion overpriced or in demand. Well, it says right here, let's just refresh this page. See if we can get any newer news because we can change this to a tool. I don't want to be on here anyway. Now we can change this. We want to change this tool here. Anytime to past hour. The initial public already set the price 51, leading to a staggering valuation. ARM reportedly pricing IPO at 51 per share. 50 minutes ago, 31 minutes ago, ARM Holdings Limited ARMS will go public soon. The estimated IPO date. 3 minutes ago, SOFI's Bank ARMS holding was set to fetch a valuation up to $64.1 billion in its Nasdaq debut on Thursday. A share that were set to blow. Wow. 3 minutes ago. Let's go look at the latest news, folks. ARM was taken private 7 years ago for $32 billion by SoftBank, which has been looking to cash out some of its stake since at least 2020 when it signed a $40 billion deal with the chipmaker NVIDIA for ARM. Okay. Hola, compadre. Oh, yeah. I know Sean's up a pretty penny today. Here you go. Choo-ya. Yes, indeed. We give you the happy wave. Yeah, baby. Thank you for being here, Sean Shaw. A king cat, no doubt. There are many other cats out there that come around here, but this is the king, one of the kingest kings, the capital king. K, capital King, Sean, Shaw, capital K. Oh, look at this going up. Hey, what do you say? $9, the low. Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas to all, if that's where we stay. 901 and now 902. Hey, it's through. That was it. You saw it. Hit the bottom once again, my friend. That's the triple low bottom. Triple low at 901. Oh, what fun. Oh, my goodness gracious, son. Look at it going. Watch it exploding. We're watching it on the charts. Look at that 3-month chart. Look at the 200-day. Sean, isn't that a thing of beauty? I'm salivating looking at that. Salivation begun right there. Look at that. Since the 8-8 date. 8-8, it broke away. Hey, what do you say? Right there, 8-8. You can see it crossed over, folks. Never looked back, and it won't look back to that price again, my friend. I'm sorry if you're shorting. It's a time to end it. End the bleeding. You'll be needing a loan from the bank, and they'll say no handshake. You got it? Uh-huh. I said no handshake, not no handshake. You got the no handshake. You got the shaft. you can't you can't laugh along with all of us longs. We're the one laughing last. That's where we belongs. You know, he who laughs loudest. We don't have to shout us. We can just laugh to ourselves, chuckle under our breath at the death of the slow, low riding slingers who thought they would see 250, but we are now almost 4 times that price. How nice, right? That's right. 250 by Chavrini, Campini, Chimpanzee. Who knew we'd be here dancing with 903? How could it be when 250 was his call? Everybody. Hey, we're still watching ARM here very, very closely. Got it on our radar, folks. Don't worry. We got it right here. Everybody's got their eyes on the prize, right? And there'll be no disguise in it. I say maybe 11:30 would be a very good time to do it. What do you think, everybody? 11:30, while it bounced off on 9:01. The run's begun. Come on, let's have some fun. Gators rocking TM. Thank you for being here. Hey, right on, Gators. I'm just having a little rapping fun here, doing what I do. Uh, yes, sir. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I got to type it in the right place, or it won't get there to put a smile on your face. Paste. There we are. Put in this here for you too. There you go. Before we're through, thank you for being here. Yes, indeed. I'm gonna give you some love, and then we're gonna put this on there. Bam, doopity, bam, bam, boom. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it very, very much. Your support is always, always appreciated, right? Just like we're appreciating SoFi now, the price is negotiating up and up and up. Fill my cup. Arm, will it be like 11:30? Let's watch it. Let's ring it. I want to hear you sing it, everybody. SoFi, 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 SoFi. Hey, we're having fun, everyone. And the run has just begun. It hit a 9:01 and it was through. Everybody, I hope you bought. Look at it now. It's popping. Oh, my goodness. This is hardly through. We're just seeing the beginning, and folks, it's not an ending. And here today, I guarantee you, oh, so fire's on fire. It's everyone's desire. The pain of the shorts, it isn't through. Oh no, it's going much, much more. You can see it just at 9:04. And soon we will see 9:05 again, my friends, and 9:06 and 9:08 and 9:10. Oh yeah, we're watching it rising higher. Everybody is smiling. It may be time to start buying Dutch Bros. BROS. Let's go look. Oh, look at CGC. Got more bottoming here. We're watching that one close. We'll go to it. We'll go take a look at bros. We'll take a look at bros. Take a look at bros. Take a look at bros. Near the bottom. Okay. 1 month. Ooh, no. I don't catch a falling knife, but we'll put it on the list. We got to watch it because it won't always fall forever. Ooh, that is a staggering deep gouge that's not had any support where it might have should have here to the right there. No. But you might be right. It could be the bottom, so monitoring it closely. Let's get in on the interactive chart just for the heck of it and see what the RSI is at on the 6 month. See, down here, 32, man. I've seen them hit us lately down as far as 29 and 25. So careful with that one. Just saying. Opening 130 stores a year. Well, maybe they're over expanding or something. Somebody seems to think so. Or either that or they're just accumulating the crap out of this to get it to rock bottom and keep accumulating it down. They've been shorting the damn thing for a daggum year now, and they're making a killing on it. Price was at $40, $25 now. They've almost doubled their money. And by the way, they've stepped up their execution of shorting. Look at the volume piling in here now. These people are resilient. I'd stay away from that one. I'd come over to this one. Look at it, 9:04 still. And it's going to hit 9:05 next. Right here, I'll be ringing the bell as soon as it gets to it. While it toggles and gets rid of all the 903s and goes now higher and higher and higher. Folks, by the way, the bottom was achieved right there at 888. 886 they're showing. That's freaking higher than yesterday's low quite a bit, I'd say. Just right here looking, I usually have my SoFi in the second place there. Don't buy this one yet. Watch it, folks, for the bottom. My suggestion? And you can buy some there. Look at the 13 cents it's down. But wade in if you do. There's the 905. I told you it was coming. And I told you it's going to just keep on running, folks. Here we go. Let's get over here. Let's look at our. Well, they didn't do it at 11:30. Anticipation. Anticipation is making us wait. Keeping us wait. Right? Well, I don't give a shit if I have to wait for it to go up 20% from here. I can be patient. Did you see that 2-cent pop to the upside right there, 903 to 905? Did you see it? Watch. Let me jump over here on the chart. I gotta get my historical one back up though. I keep mine in order. Watch it go, folks. Watch it run. Here we go. I'm monitoring now the 1 day, changing to 1 day, toggling to 906 as I called. It's going to keep toggling up here, folks. Look at the big red spike right there. That was on yesterday. I'm trying to get to the 1 day, maybe. And if I get cut off, it won't take as long to get me back up this time because I got coffee. Actually, I don't have much left, but man, this is going to be cool. ARM 51 sitting there waiting. It's like right at the gates, man. The horses are all lined up right there at the gate. Ring the bell, off they go. Sound the horn. No, that's all they do. They should be doing this song. Charge! That's what we're going to do. Put a charge into this thing. SOFI's got a charge in it. I hear you there, Sean Shaw, about that one, and we have suggested people just watch it for now. I know, but you can. Oh, there's a 906. I'm gonna ring the bell. Tricks are not being played. It's watch. You're not seeing. This is no mystery. Should be no mystery to you, everyone. It should be exactly what you expected to see happen because of my predictions. And I'm not the one making it happen. It's history. It's the shorts and it's the hedge funds making it happen. And increasing doubling. Morgan Stanley just doubled their size of their input. What do you think Cathie Wood will do now? I think she might like this SOFI even more. I think there's a chance that she'll buy into the IPO. I think there's a very good chance Cathie Wood will be one of those entertaining the idea of getting in on this killer stock before they bust into profits quicker than most people think because their student loans right now, folks, look at the date. We are halfway to their first big influx on the first. A lot of cash coming in. And some people have already been paying back on their loans already. They're not sitting, they haven't been sitting around on their hands waiting. They're smarter, and they are smart. They're college folks, right? Most of them. Educated. They're not stupid. You know. There were some that thought that Sleepy Joe would somehow pull off some sort of a miracle, but many of them were just solid with frame mind and going to educated and realized that that wasn't going to be reality. And there was no reason, no justification for that ever. There was no predecessor for that. But here we are looking at it running up. Oh yeah, it's going to keep on filling up. They're going to try to drop it, but they just can't stop it. It's going to keep on climbing up. Yes, SOFI looking very good here. We're looking closely at ARM, waiting for the news. Got it right over here. We're going to put it next to us here. Look at TSLY, by the way. Look at OPEN, by the way. I told you about it yesterday. Look at BTI in green. And look at this petroleum machine, right? Nice. RBLX, another good entry point. Triple bottom here now. Boom, boom. Here again, testing it. RBLX, still green, but a place to come to. NU green slightly. CGC, that bottom was met there. Saw a lot of resistance here at the downside. Expected minimum the same, perhaps to the upside, maybe not. There's usually less as it starts making other legs upwards because other people that would have sold higher are already out. Uh-oh. Look here, folks. 906 is coming here. Interesting. The screen seems to have frozen on me. And by the way, folks, I want you to know something. Sometimes it has been known to freeze or halt stocks before. Expect halting. Okay? And man, it's so frustrating. I saw it one time. The stock I had these incredible runs down, major allowances with no halting on these drops every time. But when it started to turn around on the news and then started going up, they halted that thing when it was up like freaking, not even 7%. I believe that was AMC, if I recall correctly. Because, see, they had to give everybody a chance to make their moves, get all their plans in place. And, man, everybody was just like, this is insane. This is a blatant proof. Hey, DD Files. Welcome, welcome. While I tried to type. I used to be a good typist. When my fingers just kept getting fatter and fatter as I got older and I got this in the wrong place. See, the thing that throws me off is there's already something there where it says chat. Get rid of it. I don't need that chat. Just put it in there. Bam. And then we got to put it howdy how. Woo-hoo. And a couple of dudes. Woo-hoo. There we go. That looks fun. Welcome, 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 welcome. Thank you for being here as we watch SoFi spiral up here possibly in just minutes. This is an exciting day to be involved in this stock. And we're making great gains again today. Everybody should be very, very pleased with where we're sitting here. NU is looking good. Look at CGC, folks. Here you go. I told you that lowest low right there. There was a double bottom right there, and I said that's where you get it when it was at 130. CGC. CGC. I'm going to write that number down on that I told. CGC. 130. All right. Got it. Got it, baby. Yep. I think that's the place to get in, CGC. You should have absolutely got in there anyway. And not heavy. We wait, and then we wait and see how it does. If it has another pullback, which could, but I don't think so. It looks good to me. So that's my suggestion. Buy some CGC here. All right. And I would also say you're very safe here over $9 on SoFi as we watch them make their best efforts to suppress this thing and keep it from breaking over yesterday's high at 909. But folks, there will be no denying this. I think people will be buying this. I'm surprised actually that we haven't seen even more already. Going over now to check again. ARM. Still no news. We're waiting it and watching it and patient as the tick tock goes on. Tick tocking the clocking and SoFi is a rocking and be in for a shock. Don't be in for any shock, folks. If they bring that, which I just said they might try, um, It'll be very, very quick. You won't even have time to get in and sell orders in if you are panicking. The only ones that they're going to be selling are people who have stop losses in, right? You won't have time to get your orders in and get in place by the time that thing drops and goes right back up. You'll see how fast and how short-lived the drop will be if it comes. If it comes even, right? Doesn't look right now like anybody wants to sell it below 902. Just now we were seeing 901 a little bit. And by the way, look at what time it is. It's been here between what, 11:15 guessing, 11:40, 11:30, 11:34. I mentioned this why? Because yesterday, look at Wednesday. What time was it? Right here. 1:30 before they come at it yesterday. 1:30. But what happened here? Right here. What this time? What was that? 10:30 yesterday. Quite a difference. Look at yesterday's chart. 10:30, 897. Pulled it down to 888 and bam, back up to 897. Well, I tell you one thing, I like seeing our low 9 cents higher than yesterday's low, when all they could do was get it down 2 cents below yesterday, right? That's very good. Strong. Very, very strong signal. Well, the biggest signal you need to be looking at here, folks, is now. Let's go look and see what's happening on this volume and the where we are on candlesticks on the 1 day. I want to thank you for being here with me. I appreciate it very much. Zooming in right now on this 1 day, looking at the candlesticks. That's what we want to see at the bottom here. Golly, look at that chart. I don't believe that's the 1 day. They're trying to fool me with that. Okay. Oh, yeah. Toggling right on up, folks. I would like to see the 1 day chart, please. Would you please try to help me out with that? Thank you very much. Golly, look at the red candlesticks just being annihilated by buys on the smaller size, bringing it back up, folks. Very good. Look at these tiny buys. Look at these big drops. Someone just tried to pop out $900,000 worth of this stock at 1134, folks. And what happened to the price after that? It went from 903 to 905 on the next minute with how many shares comparatively? 26,000? Ho, ho, ho! Folks, if you don't think that that is frustrating for them, you have to be crazy not to think that. And then look at right here. They said, good God, we got to dump more. We got to dump more. They're in panic mode here, folks. They're in panic mode. Look at these little amounts pushing it back up. Be aware of that, folks, how they're doing this and how it's working right now. Very, very important to understand that and keep a close eye on that. Get back over here. Yep. TSLY hit its bottom again. It's done. That's over. OPEN looks sweet. I like this, man. PBR. 1 day chart on that thing. Nice. Solid. This is the triple bottom here on this one. RBLX still up 19 cents, folks, though. Same thing for this one could be said in you. The bottom's there. CGC forming another bottom here as it tried to recover off here. There were actually 2 bottoms there and now a bottom forming here. Looks like. We'll see. Have to watch that one close. I like the volume. Damn. Should be going right on up with that kind of volume coming at it. All right, here we go, folks. We're getting closer and closer, I think. 11:48. What a good time. Go ahead and announce it. Put it out there. Let it pop. Let it fly or let it flop. Either way, Yeah, I like CGC here. I do a lot. I'm going to buy some of it. All right. Okay, here we go. CGC. Review order and place it. Ah, God, dog it. Here we go. All right. Just filled it. 134.44. 134.44. 135 now. Nice. All right. I like that. I'm only putting in, folks, 100 shares here at a time. Only spending $134 at a time. All right. Thank you for being Phil. Yep. Just got it at 134.01 there. 134.01. Nice. That's a shorter number. See, that's my fill right there, probably right there. Bing, that was me. CGC, folks, get some of it. That thing's going to run just like SoFi. Look at that, 906. They cannot stop this. Day's range has already been 907, and we're going to blow past it here. Get back over here to ARM again. Get ready, folks. 11:52 could come at lunchtime. People are anticipating this and buying in already. Look at the volume, half of yesterday's total already in an hour and almost, hour and a half. 2.5. Nice. Cha-ching. Folks, I hope you put all of your sell orders in high like I told you to yesterday. And the 965 and the 987s and the 998s and the 1007s and the 1012s and the 1019s, the 1030s, the 1043 if you want, the 1048, the 1065, the 1087, maybe 76 as well. I hope you did that. Look at charge point today. Somebody called that yesterday too. You are the one that asked me to look at it. Yep. I didn't look. I don't think I like the looks of it. I think I don't know. It made me leery for some reason. I don't know what it was. Oh my God, please. Chip it. Wow, nice. Yeah, see, this is what had me fearful, and I told people wade into that. And I hope some people did, because that shelf, I've seen so many of it plateau and drop, plateau, drop. I, listen, I hate to tell you right now, Shaniza, but If you're in this, you start taking some profit here, just a little bit. The reason I'm saying that is because you have to pay attention to each time on these little drop downs. How much did it gain? It went from here to 872 to 918. So you're talking about 50 cents. And here you go. Another one you got from here, 846 to 906, 50 cents. Do you see that? 50 cents. From right here, what did it go? 834 to 962. That was 70 cents. All right. And here, what was this? 793. How much did it go up to? 793 to 866. So again, 70 cents. And right here, you hit the bottom at 567. And where are you now? 603. 40 cents. You got 30 cents. 632. I put my sell order. Oh, your average is 736. Okay. Well, it doesn't matter if you're buying and accumulating some more here in this low, Shaniza. You got about, in my opinion, 20 more cents on this pop upside. And then I take some off the table and then wait for them to pull it back down like they've been doing. I'm just giving you a word of warning. This pattern you're seeing is very, very regular over 6 months. See no reason for it to stop. I see you bought the dip. Well, good. I'm glad you did. That's very wise, Shaniza. Average down. Yep. And that's what I did. I did on SoFi because I have SoFi. Actually, I still own some shares for as high as over $11. Very few because I sold a lot of it, but I still have some I bought when it went up back up over 11. And I'm going to do it again when it breaks over 11 again. Okay, right on. Oh my, I'm in the wrong place again. Yep, I'll get it there. I like the move we're seeing on SoFi right here too, pushing 907, and we're going to go higher. See, folks, this is the number we're seeing be held at, and there's a very good reason why. Look at this historical data, folks. All right, they could not do anything about the low. The only thing left for them is stop this high at 909. All right, that's what they got to do now. The low's history. They're not going to get back to that. They've already conceded the low, which is 9 cents higher today than yesterday. They conceded that, and this is all they have left. This is all they have left to sustain the high and keep it below that high. Because they got people they got to call. And today they're going to be saying, man, the volume was like 3 times as much as, and we couldn't stop it. It just kept going. That IPO was just something we underestimated. Yep, I didn't underestimate it. I got my sell orders in all the way up to 27, 28, 29 now. I did completed the rest of them. And even then, I'm not going to be out of this stock. I'll still have at least 2,500 shares when I get to that number. But I suspect pullbacks off these highs and the numbers that I've put in there, they're going to get to those numbers and then they're going to pull back. And I'll guarantee you I sell at the high of the day today, whatever it is, or very close to it within 10 cents, 10 or 20 cents. That's the only way you can make sure you're going to get the high of the day and just keep running your prices higher and higher and higher and higher and higher up. And again, I'm tying them all up so they can't be borrowed for shorting against us. That's against us, folks. We got to make them thinner and thinner. The shares available. This looks great right here. We're in the driver's seat, folks. This is absolutely a very bullish chart, as it should be. It should be even more bullish at this point, in my opinion. It is 12 noon almost, folks. What the lunchtime low is going to be today. Better give it to him right now. I'm just going to do it for him right now. Lunchtime low, because this is it. 19, lunchtime low, 9:05. And that was exactly at 12 noon. Well, yesterday's lunchtime low was 887, folks. Today, 9:05. Cha-ching. And guess who was buying there at that low yesterday? Got it even lower. Yep, bought as low as 877 yesterday, folks, and now we're up freaking 30 cents. Right on. We're not there yet, but we will be. 907's coming right now, folks. Watch that number get annihilated off the screen. Because they don't have enough shares to hold this momentum back. ARM, let's go to it. We just broke past 12. Nothing yet still. No noon release. Could come at 1. And that'll be fun for the next hour to watch our prices keep going up. Everybody, thank you for being here, celebrating with me. Here comes the 907 right now. I ring the bell because I can tell, I can smell 907. It's quite a treat for us to eat, like manna poured from heaven. Right? That's right, folks. 907. And my order's at 908. Happy buying. I missed 888 earlier, then I got it lower. I thought I had missed it, and I got it again. Now we're going to do again. Reader's order, 908. Limit order. Yep, I'm just going to buy 10 shares here. Or try to. I got my order at 908. And folks, I would highly suggest go ahead and you get it here at 905 because it's going to go past that 908. Here we are at ARM, looking at it again, still nothing. 905, folks. Working 905. We are buying more SOFI because it's come alive and it's gonna go so much higher. There seem to be a whole boatload of buyers, and there's no way they can put out SOFI's flame of fire. Going 905. Oh, now I see 906. 905. Oh, them shorts are having fits. Yeah, it's 904, but that's a price you can ignore because it's 906 again. And on a wait, you can't pretend it's going 909. Will be soon within its sights because there's 907. Oh, holy, holy might. Look at this thing. It's like climbing. Oh, yeah, and Tyler's rhyming as the timing is just perfect for this thing to pop loose. Working 909. There comes it. Here comes 908. Soon we're going to have a chance to buy. Oh, my friends can't wait. Oh, well, I filled already just now, folks, unfortunately, in 905. Dang it already. 905 I filled. I'm trying to get 908. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it to me one more time. Yes, do it to me one more time. Folks, give me a minute while I step away and buy myself some time with some coffee processing. Be right back. All right, we're back, and folks, oh, there it is. 908. Cha-ching. All right. Another obstacle will be beaten here. 908 is always a number they like. Folks, I'm just telling you, they like to stop at 908 often, and we are going to see it go right on up. Because the toggling is now 907, 908, 908, 909, 909, 911. See if I called that right. 907 and a spike right on up very quickly. 908. Yes, indeed. I will take a little more. I'm going to take some more at 908. Let me go here. There we go. 908. Come on, give it to me. Filled at 907. All right, that's good. I'm taking up some of those shares. Everybody's buying them with me, folks. I want to thank you all for being here with me. I appreciate it. I definitely do, as we just watch it go higher and higher and higher. ARM now, watching it like a hawk, folks. I know many others are too here. 907, 908. Everybody's not going to wait. You better get on before it's far too late, I'd say. Because as I'm sitting here and spouting rhyme, I can tell you soon enough we're getting 909. And what will stop us at 910? Right? I want you to pay attention to something yesterday. Yesterday's high right here. See it? 909. Stomping on that door right now, aren't we? People are pounding on it. Somebody's knocking. There's a lot of people knocking, right? While we're rocking out here. Look at that gorgeous chart. There's 908. Here comes 909, folks. And the shorts will be annihilated from here. Watch them as they all disappear. Watch them dumping shares. It will be clear. They're trying to scare folks out of here, but that does not appear to be working. It's a little bit like herky-jerking. Right now, this thing is definitely defying any efforts. Look at this right here. Come on into the one-day chart. Come on into the one-day. Come on into the one-day chart. Come on in. Come on in. Come on into the one-day. Look what it has to say. Look at that blue 45 gapping off that. Look at that big buy right there. 1 million shares at 1203. Whoa! 1 million share green candle. 1203. Did they wait till the end of lunch today? No way. They said we're going to get this thing right away. That's what I am here to say. 908 will soon be gone away. Others are coming in, ready to play. Yes, sir. We'll get. Look, I don't know what I've got. 2 double historicals. Let's get here. ARM, folks. Hey, ARM is open. 55.85 a share. Alexa, call Carl Carter.
You want to call Carl Carter, is that right?
Carl. Oh, no.
I couldn't find that name in your contacts.
Alexa, call Double K.
I couldn't find that name in your contacts.
Alexa, call Double.
I couldn't find that name in your contacts. Do you have their phone number?
Alexa, call the last phone number you dialed.
I couldn't find that name in your contacts. Do you have their phone number?
Alexa, repeat the last phone call.
I couldn't find that name in your contacts. Do you have their
Golly! Unbelievable. God, unbelievable. Ah! Okay, golly. Oh, man. Yes.
Your call has been forwarded.
Golly, dadgummit. Alexa, repeat this phone call you just made in 10 minutes.
I can't place this call right now because you're already in a conversation. Please ask me to hang up first before making a call.
Folks, we got it popping here. God dang it, man. No. All right, we're back up and running. No, all right. I just, guys telling me to call him, and then I call him, he doesn't answer the dang phone. I'm not going to answer when he calls me either. Alexa, take all of my incoming calls, please. I don't know if I can even do that or not. Man, oh man, folks, look here, folks. We have this thing popping here, 57.33. All right. Alexa, call Kay.
There is a Cade Jewelers on Town Center Boulevard, but I can't make the call on this device.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, search my contact list for Double.
Re-record. Press 3 to continue recording where you left off. Press 4.
End phone call.
Are you still there? If you are satisfied with your message, press 1 to listen to your message. Press 2 to erase and re-record. Press 3 to continue recording where you left off. Press 4.
Alexa, hang up the phone. Alexa, call Double.
Which phone number, contact, or device do you want to call?
Contact.
Who would you like to call?
Double.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding.
Folks, I'm sorry.
Five.
Yes. Call that number, please. God. Oh, man, folks, look at this thing go.
Who are you?
I'm calling you. I'm trying to get you. You said call me twice. I didn't see it. ARM IPO has opened. Opened at lunchtime.
Oh, did it? Let me see. I didn't.
It's up to $57.77 now.
Yeah, they're going to drive it up, but then it'll come back down. It'll settle down.
SOFI's price is at $9.05. $9.06. Price has now gone to $58 on ARM, up 13%. SOFI 906 going to break the high. The high has been 909 yesterday. We're going to break that today, I think. Unless, as I said, there's a concerted effort, a manipulation effort, which we see many times on Good News for SOFI. Now at 58.22, 58.27, 58.25, 58.30, 58.40. SOFI's IPO has a lot of demand, and they control what we discovered yesterday. 90% of it, was it, Carl?
Do what?
Didn't we discover yesterday that the IPO, SOFI has like 95% of it, don't they? Or 90% of it.
They got a good portion of it, and they're going to make a bunch of money off of it. So, SoFi is going to make.
I thought we looked it up yesterday. I discovered that they own like 95% or 90% of this IPO.
Yeah, I'm going to say that they're going to be making probably $500 million over the two IPOs over the next 2 weeks.
More than that, man. They were only supposed to make what I saw.
Well, I'm just guesstimating between taxes, things like that, yada yada yada. There's all types of stuff. But they're going to be up, $500 million.
Something saying here that my Alexa is tarded.
What does that mean?
I have no idea what tarded means. What's good, man? Just FPV. What's good right now? What's good is these stocks I've been picking out, and we've been picking out. Looking at look at PBR, folks, up 3% today. Look at BTI up again today. Look at OPEN up. And that was one. Look at how's our RTX doing? Was it RT? No, RSI. I'm going to look at RSI.
No, RSI. Yeah. Let's see. Where is it?
Taking a look at it now.
It's up 2%. Nothing major.
Nice. A nice gain. Called that one too yesterday, folks. Mantis, welcome. Thank you for being here. Tyson, thank you for being here and showing up. ARM is live. Yes. I don't know what you mean
Penn is
by
up 7%. Penn is up 7%. I have a feeling that Penn has hit where it needs to hit, and it's going to start going up from here. So look at that.
Oh boy. Okay.
Well,
Charge.
they beat it down because they didn't get into it, and I got into it a little heavier than this. But it is what it is.
Yeah.
I'll buy. I should buy some more right now just because. And I don't think it'll ever go any lower than this.
All right. Well, there's another one for you.
They're the ones that bought the rights to ESPN for the next 10 years.
Right. I knew that was, yep. But man, since that was a month ago, and man, have they been trounced down over the last 2 weeks, man.
Well, everything got beat down.
Golly.
Got beat down, but they got beat down hard. But I'm just saying, that was the reaction, and now it's going to start going up from here. They probably wanted to squeeze some people out. They wanted to do whatever. Who knows?
Yeah, you can see it was manipulated down. That's a very good looking chart right now. And by the way, I want you to know, Carl, on September the 8th, this price was exactly below, just broke over that resistance level, $22.88, and now we're at $23. I love it because that was a major line of resistance on its last run up on September the 8th, whatever the news was on September the 8th that made it pop from down at 2201 to 2288. And that stopped it last time, and this time 2288, it just blew right by that. So that's good. Very good one. I like it.
But just to give you an idea, and it probably takes a little bit for everybody to understand what they just did and everything else and how it benefits them and all this other stuff. Well, one thing is that they were paying Disney a lot of money for advertising.
Whoa, ARM just hit $60. Oh my God. Nice.
Was it 15%, 16%, something like that?
17, 18 now, 60, 40, 60, 60, 60, 80. It just blew past 60. My gosh, wow. Wow, 60, 60. 6066. It went right by that. 6099 now, 6083, 6094, 6099 again. Gonna go to 61. Boom, it's going over. There it is, 6104, 6106. I say 6113. No, they blew past that too. 6135. Wow, folks. Oh my God, why are we not seeing this incredible reflection on my born day is September 8th? Wow, cool. There you go.
So, let me go back to Penn real quick.
Yeah.
The final thing on this is that they spent a lot of money for ESPN for the rights and everything, but they were spending a lot of money for advertising, and so they actually are saving money by doing what they did.
Okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Because they were going to spend that money anyway on advertising over the next 10 years.
Yep.
So why not, get the rights for it and everything else. And you got advertising. You can advertise the crap out of everything and not even, and not have a limit.
Right.
No, they're going to kill it.
I think it's a smart move.
And it's going to be in your face all the time now because ESPN's everywhere.
Yep, Kimchi Bacon made some money from ARM, A-R-E-M. Oh, I bet. Kimchi, you got in on it. Oh, yeah. You dang right, man. He already took his profits. You don't mess around when you're up 20%. You get some off the table.
Brand new stock out of the gate.
Not on a brand new stock out of the gate. You take that money and run, folks. Wait for the pullback. You buy back in again. Telling you, everybody now, 61.13 I thought would be it. But it went past that to 61.40 now. So who knows? Maybe it's 66, 66. What do you think? Yeah, for sure. Put your orders in at 66.54. Just take it and run. That's $5 above where we are right now. And look at them trying to take SoFi down while this IPO goes up through the roof, making them money. And who called for that, possibly? Who called for that move? By the way, yesterday we only had 16 million shares all day long. Today we're almost at 10 million already, mid-lunch. And the lunchtime low, 902. Got to change it because I had it at.
What are we at? 9.3? 9.3? Yeah.
Yep, lunchtime low, 902. And yesterday's lunchtime low, I keep track of these, folks. You know I do. And the lunchtime low was 887 yesterday. Today, 902. And that's going to be at 1225. 902, folks. I want to thank all of you that are here with me right now. I appreciate your comments. Tyson, thank you. Yep, no, the move on SoFi is coming. You'll see the reflection. You'll see.
It's going to dictate based on how the market goes, and also the announcements and how well they did on the IPO. And like we've said, and like you said, we've got these two catalysts as well as student loan repayment coming up. So 2 months from now, this stock's going to be probably 15, I'm guessing.
Yeah, 2 months from now. Yeah, well, right now, folks, listen, we are 2 weeks away from the cha-ching of a lot of money flying in on this stock. And look at the price now, 61.63, up 20 plus percent. 61, 63. Oh my, SoFi, how is it not just spiraling out of here? I don't understand it. I'm happy with 2.3% gain, but I don't understand it with this kind of profit they're making off of this right here. You know,
well,
I was seeing.
Everybody's tying this together. I mean, how many people are tying it together? I mean, besides the people that are listening to you and stuff, I mean, and some of the other traders or whatever, but I mean, what is that, 1 million people out of freaking how many freaking hundreds of millions of people?
Yeah, exactly. 61.11 now. Now back down below 61 to 60. Back over 61, 61.10. 61.01, which is a short number. Now it jumps to 61.22. And again, they attack it. Now broken below 6066, of course. Came across quickly. Now back up 61 and plus.
I got to get going here.
All right. Well, I just wanted to get a hold of you and let you know the arm was out and it was up 20%.
All right. I'll call you later.
Talk to you later, man. Ciao. There you go. Well, to be honest with you, I was still very pleased right here. I'm not seeing what I wanted to see, and I'm not really quite sure. But there might just be a lot of hesitation to hold and see what happens on this right here. If it holds and continues. So we'll just watch this close. Because you know it's going to pull back off the high. And by the way, folks, I'm as pleased as can be because I thought there was a possibility that it was overhyped at 51. It might be end up around 39. If it springboards here, what it looks like it's doing, we have that possibility of much higher in the sights. Look at how many shares have gone here, folks. 52 million. Hey, Alexa, what is 53 million times $60?
53 million times 60 US dollars is 3,180,000,000 US dollars.
3,180,000,000 right now.
I'm not sure.
That's okay. Thank you.
You are so very welcome. Hope your Thursday is going well.
Oh, my goodness gracious. I hope yours is too, Alexa. All right, here, folks. Are you seeing this? Bottom out at 59.44. And these are numbers to pay attention to. They are favorites of theirs. Even 59.13, we suspect we might see here, but we'll see. Broke below there. We like 33. I know they like that. It's coming, folks. Whoa, that was gobbled fast, folks, right there. There was no way they were going to hit 59.13. Did you see that? And we're back over 60.13. Oh my gosh, wow, was that quick? 60.15 now. Look at the Dow up 311, the NASDAQ up 104. What a great day to do an IPO. Yeah, I hear what you're saying. If only SoFi was moving at that pace. I hear you, Kimchi. Yes, sir. Does anybody remember they were talking about a price OPO of $28 on this stock? I do. My friend Double K told me that was the price that they were starting the bids at, was between 26 and 28. Oh, folks, listen, don't worry. Tyson, I see. What's the volume for SoFi? Has it dropped? Well, let's take a look at the 1 day. Here you can see the hows and whys. ARM is the one they opened, and they own a whole bunch of. Instacart's still in the channel. We got that one coming up on the 20th. We got 6 days left before Instacart. Hey, Ian Clark, welcome. All right. Appreciate you showing up here. I passed on ARM. That was priced higher per SoFi info. I know it. I see a big pullback possible on it. Actually, from here, I thought it was maybe overrated, but we're going to see. Right now, we're hovering right very nicely here above 59, which is $30 higher than they were saying 2 days ago, folks. There's a lot of demand for this, and it should be equal demand for ours. Ours is the holder of this opening, this IPO, and the success of this will predicate the success of their new one coming out, which is going to be Instacart. So I love this, to be honest with you. Going back over 60 here again. Nice. TBH ARM is good company for long term, but not at this price. Yep. TBH meaning to be honest, folks. I agree. We're waiting for a pullback on it, but look at the thing bounce back over 60 just now. Dang, that looks good. What I'm questioning is how are we not seeing just tens of thousands of shares being bought up of this killer stock that did this IPO, this running the whole show? Just think of the millions and millions that they're going to have now to loan with, that they're making off of this IPO. And believe me, they are, people. Look at it here, see how they do this. They got 3 big spikes right after 12. 4 in a row, they came at it, trying to knock it down. IPO came out right then, see, so they did attack it. And then they've been attacking it with 40,000 shares at a time. And they did it incrementally about every 5 minutes. Here's another one, right on target. Every 5 minutes, toss it in. Folks, I don't know whether you're aware of it, though. Look, we're up 2%. And by the way, have a look at the 5-day. How do you like that? I hear you, what you're saying there. Well, one thing about this IPO in Clark was that it was 6 times subscribed. 6 times. There you go, in Clark. SOFI. Look at the arm. It's time to buy. 60's going to say bye-bye real soon. And SOFI is shooting to the moon. They might be waiting. They might be taking it down. 599, 598, 60, 06, cha-ching, cha-ching. Let's hear the thing ring. Let's go. It's a machine going higher. Everybody is a SOFI buyer. Here they come, folks. Coming our way. Don't worry. Everyone will wait in here just below 9 and get it right on back over 9 as our way to 10, 11, 12, and 13. You know what I like about this company? Everything that they've said, they have executed on. Every single thing. Even this IPO, the launching of IPOs, they said they were going to be strong into that field, and they are. They're getting one of only 12 companies allowed to sell this Instacart IPO is them. And but this IPO is even better for them because they own so much more. They're just kind of nibbling at it with the Instacart. They don't have a lot of percentage of the 100% available. They got a small percentage here. They got over 90%, folks. Cha-ching to them. They have the likelihood of making more gains on this than they actually did the Instacart. That's what I'm trying to get at for everybody, in case you didn't know that. But apparently some people know it. They're trying to buy it right now at the lowest they can get it, even though it was already today. I don't know if I'm still up now. I got a notification I was disconnected and reconnected, so I don't see how I could be up. I don't know. Maybe I am. It says 897 on the price that I'm seeing on the screen, so maybe I'm still live. And it doesn't say in stream. Let me go over here to my OBS. It says I'm up and running. And it says for an hour and 46 minutes. Yep, looks good. All right, well, I don't know what happened. It just said my IP, my Express VPN was disconnected, and now we're back up. It seems. Uh-oh. Don't want to do that. Hold on a second, folks. There we go. But yeah, it looks good. I think good enough to continue. Thank you for being here with me, everybody. Tyson Duffy, thank you for letting me know that everything is good. I appreciate that very much because I didn't know. I was like that, and now I'm like this. Kind of cool. All right, let's see here. Get back over here and get to where we should be. Put this back down. Don't need to look at me. We want to watch this ARM. 5988. What do you know? My goodness gracious. $31 higher than what they were suspecting a week ago. I say cha-ching a ching. Congratulations. Hear the register ring. They're bringing it on. Sofi's bringing it. I'm ringing it while we're singing it. Uh-oh, error, YouTube not supportive, buffering, problems, shutdown, imminent. God dang it, man, this thing. Stream health poor. Goes from excellent to instantly poor. I get disconnected. I'll be right back. I'll probably be eating some watermelon while I'm back. When I come back, I'm getting a little hungry. Let's see if I'm still streaming. Yeah. Still up. Got a delay. It'll come right back on. And if I get disconnected, I'll be back. Isn't that something? Yesterday, not a single problem all day long. Twice today. Bam, out, out. I don't think it has a thing to do with my laptop either. Not one little bit.